Hi, welcome back. And in this video, we're going to create our first Jenkins pipeline job. Okay, to deploy a project on my GitHub to the server. So, how are we going to do that? Okay, so what we'll do is we go to create job, and then we'll call this deployment, and then create a freestyle project. Hit OK. And then go down to source code management, select Git, and the repository for that is going to be github.com. Okay, code, copy this and paste it in. Okay, so this is telling me it's not able to perform a git command, so that's reminding me we need to install git on this host. We'll do that in, we'll do it now actually. So let's see, here, so yum install git. Yes. Okay, and that ought to do it. I think that's some quirk with the, yes, okay, so some quirk with Jenkins there, not recognizing it. Okay, so down to build, add build steps, invoke top level maven targets, and it'll be test install. We're not actually going to deploy it to a live uh, Apache host right now. We're just going to test that we can get a pipeline up and running. Okay, so I'm going to apply that now, and I'm going to save. Okay, so okay, so right now we need to go to back to our dashboard and manage Jenkins, and then we need global configuration. We need to point it to our Java home, which we know already from our previous video is in the user lib jvm Java. Oh, sorry, that is wrong. No, don't install automatically. Just call it. I'm not sure why it's doing that. I think that may be another quirk from Jenkins, like we just seen with Git. Okay. Uh, I'm just going to save that now, and then actually just seeing that Maven thing there, I have to do one more thing. Dashboard deployment, configure, go down to okay. Let's go back to the dashboard. Manage Jenkins. Global configuration. And the Maven home is, we know that from our last videos, it was in the app folder. So we just have to name the Maven and apply and save. Okay. So, okay, we should be good to deploy now. Let's just check. Build. Oh, we have a failure. Let's check in console output. Okay, it's saying it couldn't find any revision to build. Okay. Okay, I just made a change to one of the files in the repository, an update, and pushed it to my GitHub. So hopefully we should be able to build now and it should detect the change. So, oh, just taking a look. Oh, okay, so the error message was referring to because it was looking for a master uh, branch, but there was no master branch. It was a main branch. So I changed the name of it to master here. So, and then I ran it again and it failed because Maven couldn't, the Maven test install execution failed, no such file or directory, cannot run Maven program in directory. And the reason for that was in the configuration for the job, I had not selected a Maven version. So I have just went back and done that now, Apache Maven 3.8.6. And now we'll go back to deployment and we will build again and let's see if this works. Something's happening. Oh, and we get a green successful build. Let's go in and look. Um, console output. Okay. Downloading. Yes, and we can see up here it'll have deployed. Yep. Commit message update index. GSP down. Hallway. Yes, and we see success. Okay. So we can see that it's built our var file. So we can just go on to uh, our host here, and I will just pull, yeah, just pull that into the side here, and we can check on our project, which is in the Jenkins folder in the var lib directory, and then we go to workspace, and the name of our job is deployment. So we can go in. And we can see all the files from the project have been deployed here. And it is created our .var file. So we have created our first successful uh, Jenkins deployment. And now what we're looking to do is copy this .var file. It's built our project, so we need to put this on a the point of this is to be able to deploy this to any Linux machine. Um, so we'll demonstrate how to do that in the next video.